Your air-cooled condenser is losing efficiency and it's costing you throughput. Traditional cleaning methods don't reach deep into finned tubes, and shutdowns, they kill production. TubeTech changes that. Our patented Lance technology cleans deep inside ACC tubes, while your system stays online. Operators report restored heat transfer performance and measurable efficiency gains without outages. No shutdowns, no lost output, just restored performance. Trusted by industry leaders, IGS helps you restore heat transfer performance without shutdown. Book your complimentary efficiency study today